Hello guys, I'm Mike with Views in our San Jose Training Center, and we're gonna talk about EV chargers today. Maybe some of you are gonna purchase electric vehicles, but you obviously have to charge them. It's not like you will be going to the charging station all the time. So you need to have a charger at home. There are all kinds of different chargers. Most of the time people put the charger which is called level 2, something like this. This charger is for the Tesla vehicles. It doesn't matter if it's for the Tesla or any other electric vehicle, same idea, same electricity that you need to use. So in order to install this or to get an estimate from us, which can be also done virtually, there are a few things that you can check on your own and expedite this whole estimate process and figure out if you can install something like this. So this thing uses electric power, and for that you would need space in your electric panel. So again, this is our test training facility, so we install all sorts of equipment. So something like this is called the main panel. You can find it at your home, and if you lift it up you will see several breakers right here. You need to make sure that there is enough availability in order to install the breaker for your EV charger. We also call this the load calculation. So if you have too many equipment in your house, your panel might not support the EV charger. Best thing to do is for you to take the photo of this panel, to take the photo of all the breakers you have and send it to us. Sometimes you may have a sub panel inside your home where you also need to take the photos and send to us. Once we get all of this information, we will do a thing that's called load calculation to make sure your panel is not overloaded by doing the EV charger installation. Once the load calculation is complete, we can give you the price and also can schedule an installation, request city permit, and go on from there to install the EV charger. And the EV charger can be installed outside or inside the garage. And depending on the distance from the main panel to the EV charger, there will be different prices. We try our best to give you the best deals possible in Bay Area for the chargers. Some of the things that you need to be aware of is something that takes lots of power, which could be spa, hot tub, oven, dryer, jacuzzi, all those equipment like that consume lots of energy. You can just send us a list of the equipment that you have that uses electricity. If we find out that your panel is not good for the EV charger and you still need to install it, we have a special module that actually connects to the EV charger. It will not be the Tesla but a more generic charger, and what it would do is once the system senses that the panel is overloaded at that time of the day, it would cap the allowance of power going to the EV charger. So during the day you might not be able to charge it as fast as you would do it at night when other things are not being used. So we have all sorts of equipment. Reach out to us, we'll always find a solution for you how to deal and give you the best steps and the best prices for your EV charging solutions. So happy driving!